Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barry and today you join me at the Swartkorps Raceway just outside Pretoria here in South Africa for the Daytona Group Track Day. Now if you don't know who the Daytona Group is, they are the official importers for Aston Martin, McLaren, Rolls-Royce and Pagani in South Africa, and today they kindly invited me out to come and spend some time with them rather, and hopefully hold thumbs, I'll actually be able to go around the track in one. Hopefully McLaren, because you know McLarens are sort of track bred. So absolutely stoked to be here. Very excited to see what's going to come. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen. Of events, I'm going to be going in that exact 720S, McLaren 720S. This is only the second McLaren I've been in anger. The only McLaren I've been into previously was the MP4-12C, probably about 3 years ago now. So yeah, I'm absolutely stoked to be going in the 720, so let's go hop in and see what's what. Right, so here we go, the McLaren 720S. I'm absolutely phenomenally excited, so let's hop in. See what's what. That's got some power. Okay. Is het de stock engine of?
Ja, hij is gechip.
Okay. Hoeveel barrelkracht het hij nou?
800.
Yes, like. Honestly guys, I've honestly never experienced anything like that before. That McLaren 720 is okay. It is tuned to 800 horsepower and it's got, as you can see in the background there, it's not entirely standard, so a massive huge thanks to the owner, because honestly, fastest car I've ever been in. I mean, recently I've been in the DBS Supercar. I thought that thing pulled. This thing is even more insane. I mean, 800 horsepower, rear wheel drive. It's just absolutely fantastic. So a massive big thank you to the owner for allowing me, and yeah, make sure you stay tuned because hopefully a couple more laps around the track are coming up. So let's take a little walk around of all the cars that are here. Got two 600 LTs, this one's the coupe and the Spider. We actually went out in these early this morning for some shots around the track, so that was nice. Lovely AMG GTS, another 600 LT, and there's actually, I think, two more 600 LTs. We'll go walk around those just now. Normal 570S, another 600 LT, a lovely Ferrari 458. I think still prefer this over the 488 to be perfectly honest. 911 Turbo, I think it's a 997 generation. A lovely black 600 LT, absolutely love the spec. Got a McLaren 650S. Of course there are quite a few McLarens because this is Daytona's track day. 911 GTS, lovely M3 Aston Martin DBS. There's a the DBS here that I really want to go and have a look at. Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. You hear the McLaren the background. Lovely car. And then we just have a casual McLaren Senna. You know, I think one of 8 in South Africa that are coming. This one in stealth spec, so absolutely awesome to see that here. Hi John. Aerial Atom V8, absolutely love to go out on one of these. Another Aston Martin DBS and another Aston Martin DBS. This one is my dream spec. I actually used one of these as a matric dance car, only difference being this is paddle shift, and one I went in was a manual, so that's pretty cool. Gen 1 Gallardo Spider and a Huracan Performante in a satin orange. Absolutely love to see that here. And 12C, the OG McLaren, and of course we've got a lovely Aston Martin Vantage. DBS Superleggero has gone out on the test drive, so yeah, pretty epic. And another 720, so yeah, I don't know what else is going to be happening, so but yeah, I'm just going to be here for a while, see what happens. So yeah, let's see if anything exciting turns up. Well, that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that absolutely crazy ride around Swartkops in the 720S. I mean, phenomenal car. So a huge thank you to the owner. Big thank you to the Daytona group for inviting me to come and spend the day with them. Make sure you go check out their social media pages. The links will be down below. So yeah, until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe. I'll catch you again soon. Bye.